Hi everyone, welcome back to the Web3 channel. My name is Zach. In this video we are looking at Polygon because it's seeing some interesting activity right now. Obviously yesterday Fwiz, the head of YouTube gaming, announced that he will now be the CEO of Polygon Studios. We saw a quick price action jump there, but now we're looking at this right here. Polygon MATIC sees a strong oversold bounce at a $250 billion crypto market rebound. MATIC price secured a nearly 40% gain as crypto market sentiment improves in the wake of a notable $250 billion USD relief rally. Let's go over it. MATIC emerged as one of the best performers among high-ranking cryptocurrencies on January 26 as the price rose nearly 17% to reach an intraday high at $1.825. The gain surfaced amid a synchronous rebound across the market that started on January 24. In detail, investors and traders poured in over $250 million USD across digital assets, benefiting Bitcoin, Ether, and among others. So we see here, of course, Bitcoin, Ether, USDT, Binance, USDT, Cardano, Solana, etc. Polygon, a secondary scaling solution for the ETH blockchain, also cashed in on the crypto market rebound. The valuation of its native token, MATIC, rose from as low as $9.77 billion USD on January 24 to as high as $13.58 billion USD 2 days later. Meanwhile, its price jumped from 1.312 to 1.825 USD in the same period. That's nearly a 40% gain in just 3 days. Looking at the Fed meeting and high-profile hiring, the latest bout of buying in the Polygon market appeared ahead of a Federal Reserve announcement about its interest rate increase scheduled to come on the afternoon of January 26. In detail, cryptocurrencies have also seen or been through several whipsaws in recent months over expectations, of course, of the US central bank embarking on a series of interest rate hikes to fight inflation. Similarly, stock markets have suffered because of the prospect of the Fed's shrinking balance sheet and higher rates. According to Luca Paolini, the chief strategist at Pictet Asset Management, people may have expectations that the recent turmoil in the stock market and a rising rift between Ukraine and Russia that has drawn in NATO allies' focus may have the Fed tone down its rate hike rhetorics. Waiting for the Fed to speak today, obviously, David Gokhshtein from Gokhshtein Media. Nonetheless, Polygon managed to outperform top rivals like Bitcoin and ETH in terms of intraday gains, and it appears a high-profile hiring was the core reason behind it. As Cointelegraph reported on January 25, of course, as we've spoken about already, YouTube's head of gaming, Ryan Wyatt, they got his name wrong there, it's not Ryan Watts, it's Ryan Wyatt, left the streaming giant to join Polygon Studio, a gaming and NFT backed by the namesake Layer 2 Protocol's $100 million fund. The news seemingly boosted investors' appetite for MATIC, prompting it to do better than other large-cap cryptocurrencies. Of course, looking at huge news for MATIC, head of YouTube gaming is joining Polygon Studios as the CEO. I have made a video going over that because I have been watching Fwiz's career over the past roughly close to a decade now, so I am aware of what that means for Polygon Studios, and they definitely have an amazing captain of the ship now. Key support levels he held. MATIC's sharp rebound placed the price back at above its 200-day exponential moving average, the blue wave in the chart below a level significant for its role in limiting the market's downside bias, as we can see right here. On January 25th, MATIC bulls attempted to reclaim the 200-day EMA as support almost a week after losing it. The drop and bounce around the blue wave looked very similar to the price action in the July-August period last year, wherein closing above it had led to a 200% plus price rally. The fractal shows strong buying sentiment among MATIC traders near the 200-day EMA. Therefore, should the price stay above the support, its likelihood of continuing its uptrend appears higher. Nonetheless, the bullish momentum risk exhaustion near MATIC's ascending trendline resistance, as shown in the chart above. That being said, what are your thoughts currently on MATIC? Would love to hear your take. Nothing in this video should ever be considered financial advice, and you should always do your own research. But personally, things are definitely looking interesting. And like I say, I'm still very excited to see what Fwiz does with Polygon Studios moving forward over 2022. And looking at the $100 million fund, it looks like they paid well, because Fwiz was an executive, a true YouTube executive. They must have paid a well salary. That being said, this is the Web3 channel covering everything happening in the Web3 space from crypto, NFT, and metaverse news. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you in the next Web3 video.